In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to insert multiple images into Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever needed to build a quick visual catalog, track items with photos, or make your data easier to scan, this simple process will help you do it cleanly and consistently. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. Any modern browser will work. Make sure you're signed in to the right account and you have edit access to the file. If the sheet is shared, you'll need permission to make changes before you can add images. Next, click the cell where you want the first image to appear. Think about your layout ahead of time so the images line up with the correct rows and columns. Many people dedicate one column to images and keep text data to the right, which makes it easier to scan and sort. Now go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Image. You'll see two options: Image in Cell and Image over Cells. Image in Cell places the picture inside the selected cell and anchors it to the grid. It resizes with the row height and column width, and it moves correctly when you sort or filter. Image over Cells floats the picture on top of the grid so you can freely position it, layer it, and size it exactly how you like. Choose the one that fits your layout and workflow. When prompted, pick how you want to add the picture. Upload from computer or by URL. Upload from computer is great for images saved on your device, like PNGs and JPGs. By URL works if the image is hosted online. Just make sure the link points directly to an image file and isn't behind a sign-in page, or it may not load. Higher quality images look better, but very large files can slow things down, so a balanced size is best. Repeat the same process for each additional image, selecting a different cell before inserting each one. Keeping a consistent pattern, such as one image per row, will help your sheet stay organized. If you're adding many images, having clear file names can make uploads faster. If you chose Image over Cells, resize or move each picture to fit your layout. Drag the corners to keep the aspect ratio intact, and use the grid lines as a visual guide to align images neatly with your data. For images in cells, remember that the cell's width and height control the display size, so widening a column or increasing row height gives the image more room without distortion. Once everything looks tidy, you're done. Google Sheets saves automatically, and that's how you insert multiple images into Google Sheets on desktop.